Ugh, stinks in here today. Stinks in here. Smells like a urinal.
That's not stopping you from riding. I thought that's.
It used to, though.
It used to, but it doesn't anymore.
Nope. Anyways, this is the elevator. Mount Kisco train station. What the heck is going on up here? Well, by that window, it looks like it's over leveling. Look at this. And there's that disgusting thing. There it goes. That's it. Look at this. The shaft light's on and everything. Everything's on in this elevator. And look, there's my finger outside the elevator.
So if you call the elevator again, you get to see it come up.
Yeah. Ooh, look, white LED.
Yes, white LEDs. Okay,
look here. Here's a little trick.
Yeah. Okay, but let's get a look at it. Let's get a look at the car coming up the shaft, which will be pretty awesome.
And I can't get copyright because it's live music. Look where the window goes. Looks like it's over leveling. Let's get back in. Go on. Look at that. Oh, look. Oh, white LED. Look at it, Capulet. Disgusting elevator. And ugh. That's why it smells like a urinal in here. Oh, look. Say hello to Mr. Not Security Camera.
Bye.
That stays lit the entire time.
It's dark in here.
No wonder why.
Hey!
Ah! Watch the button go out.
Then here we are at ground level again. Ah!
I like doing that. Send it up to 2. Come on. Hey, little close up. Watch it go up. If you can. There it goes. See if you can watch it go up. You can see, oh, there's the hydraulic ram. Look at that. It's dirty in there, but there's the hydraulic ram. There it is, and that's it.